So, Uma, you've encountered the lack of absolutes in science then. Well, who says we have to understand? Who says we have to have absolute knowledge and to know everything? There's no reason why we should think that we're capable of doing that. The fact that we've been able to find out all that we have is quite startling, I think. So as regards purpose, I can't really give you a great deal of comfort, because to imply a purpose implies something outside of the universe for which the universe could have meaning, or an intentional purpose. So again, absolute meaning, absolute purpose can't help you. But you seem to get the impression that you're not very special, and that humanity is not very special. Well, that's just wrong. It took 13,500 million years to make you. You are not an easy thing to make. The only way to make you is to create a universe and to wait for planets to form and for chemicals to mix and for an unbroken chain of organisms and males and females which had to find a mate for you to be here. Not once did one of your ancestors, of whatever species they were part, ever fail to find a mate. It's not easy to make a human being. Your very thoughts occur only because of the interaction of energy and matter. Your thoughts occur where those things meet, in the electrical impulses moving around your brain and the chemical reactions they inspire. Somewhere in there is the seed of what we call consciousness. The most complex object in the whole universe, as far as we know, is sitting between your ears. Think of that. All this universe, so many different things happening, so many different sights and scenes, so many different materials, rock strata, living things, but the most complex single thing is your brain. Science, in its harshest possible light, tells us something wonderful. And that is that we are the universe made self-aware. How many people can sit down and say, I'm a piece of a universe capable of contemplating my own existence? You can actually say that and not be an idiot, because it's true. We are the universe made conscious. That is an absolute fact. Now, just how special do you want to be? We find ourselves, purely by chance, alive in a universe where not only is life possible, but there's rock and roll. It's all essentially existential angst. Why am I here? Why am I here? I prefer to simplify it to I am here. Some days, the good days, for me, it's not a case of existential angst, but of existential joy. It's not a question of the glass being half full and the glass being half empty. It's the fact that the glass exists. And I want to live in the universe with rock and roll.